Quantity surveying is a profession that has been around for centuries, since 1785 to be exact. As you're probably aware, quantity surveyors should be meticulous with their records. So, it should come as no surprise that some other form of records can be broken. In today's video, we'll delve into 5 quantity surveying record breakers, and maybe either you or your firm can be placed on this list next year. But before we start, we want to thank you for helping us achieve 13,000 subscribers. And if you're watching this video unsubscribed, scroll down and click that little red button. We've uploaded a new video every Wednesday for nearly 3 years, and we don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1. The youngest chartered quantity surveyor. The youngest chartered surveyor on record is Kasim Atak, who achieved chartered status with the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors at the age of 22 in December 2021. Number 2. The largest quantity surveying firm. The largest quantity surveying firm in the world is believed to be Turner & Townsend, with over 8,400 employees and offices in 46 countries. T&T saw an annual turnover rise of 22% from $883 million to $1.02 billion. Number 3. The largest construction project managed by a quantity surveyor. The largest construction project managed by a quantity surveyor on record is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which was managed by the quantity surveying firm Davis Langdon. The project cost an estimated $1.5 billion and was completed in 2010. Number 4. The most expensive construction project managed by a quantity surveyor. The most expensive construction project managed by a quantity surveyor on record is the One World Trade Center in New York City, which was managed by the quantity surveying firm AECOM. The project cost is an estimated $3.9 billion and was completed in 2014. And finally, the most successful quantity surveying publication. The most successful quantity surveying publication is believed to be the RICS Building Cost Information Service, also known as BCIS Pricebook, which provides detailed information on the construction costs and is widely used by quantity surveyors and other construction professionals. If you'd like us to cover any QS related topic, please leave a comment below and we will add it to our video list. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.